You're looking at Lesson 7, Distributive Properties using Negative Numbers, simplifying pre-algebraic expressions. Now, if you look carefully, you'll see that we've posted here exactly what the ruling is. With two numbers, the rules for multiplying and dividing positive and negative numbers are not only simple, but they're also the same for both operations. When multiplying or dividing two numbers, if the two numbers or the two signs are the same, the result is positive. If the two signs are different, the result is negative. Let's look at the first example, example A. Here we have 6x minus 5 times 3x plus 15 equals negative 138. Well, simplifying it, 6x, and we have 5 times 3x, negative 5 times 3x, so it's negative 15x, and 5 times 15 is negative 75 equals negative 138. Then, what we're going to do here is 6x, positive 6x minus 15x is negative 9x minus 17. Okay, so we're going to add, on the next line here, add a positive 75 to this side, and we add it to this side. So we have negative 9x equals negative 63. And then we're going to subtract a negative into a negative, so we know it's a positive. So 9 goes into 63 7 times. Okay, let's look at example B. Here we have negative 3x minus 6x times negative 4x plus 12 equals 138. Negative 3x plus 24x, because negative 6 times negative is a positive, so 6 times 4 is 24x, and 6 times 12, a negative times a positive, is negative 72 equals 138. Next line down, since we have negative 3x plus 24x, subtract the 2 and you have 21x minus 72 equals 138. Now, if we add a negative or a positive 72 to this side, we have to add it over here, so you're going to have 210. So 21x equals 210. Divide 210 by 21, x equals 10. Okay, here's what we like to have you do. Hopefully you understood what we said up here. I know it's a lot, but you have 6 problems to work with. If you would, please pause the video when you're told to, then work on these problems, then continue playing the video, and we will provide you with the answers. If you would, please pause the video now. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. Let's see how well you did. Let's look at Lesson 1. Lesson 1, we have 4x plus 2 times the quantity negative 6x minus 2 equals negative 44. So 4x minus 2 times negative 6 is negative 12x, and 2 times 2 is negative 4 equals negative 44. Then we have plus 4x minus 12x is negative 8x minus 4 equals negative 44. Negative 8x equals, if you take a positive here and then add it to this side, it's going to be negative, or negative 44 is now negative 40. And divide this side by 2 negatives, so x equals 5. Let's look on this side, see what happens. Here we have negative 6x minus 3 times the quantity 7x plus 2 equals 318. Then negative 6x minus 3 times 7 is 21, negative 21x, and 3 times 2 is negative 6 equals 318. Negative 6x plus negative 21x equals negative 27x. Negative 6 equals 318. Negative 27x equals, here we're going to add a positive to this side. We add it to this side as well, and we're equal to 324. Divide a negative into a positive, x equals negative 12. 27 divided into 324. Let's look at question number 3. Here we have negative 3x plus 7 times the quantity 6x minus 29 equals 187. Negative 3x plus 42x, 7 times 6 is 42x, and 7 times 29 is negative 203 equals 187. Negative 3x plus 42x equals 39x, and we have negative 203 equals 187. 39x equals, add a positive 203 to this side, add it to this side, it's 390. Divide that by two positives, x equals 10. Number 4. 5x minus 2 times the quantity 2x minus 17 equals 133. 5x and 2 times negative 2x is a positive 4x, and 2 times 17 and negative 17 is a positive 34. Okay, so 5x plus 4x is 9x plus 34 equals 133, and we are going to subtract 34 from this side, subtract it from this side, so 9x equals 99. Positive, positive, divide by 9, and the answer is 11. Let's look at number 5. On number 5, we have negative 6x minus 7 times the quantity 2x plus 28 equals negative 252. So we have negative 6x, however we have negative 7 times negative 2 is a positive 14x, and negative 7 times a positive 28 is a negative 196 equals negative 252. Here we have a negative 6x and a positive 14x. Subtract, we have 8x minus 192 equals 252, negative 252. Add 196 to this side, and you have to add it over here. So it's going to be negative 56. 8x equals negative 56. Negative, or positive negative, gives you 8 divides into 56. 7 times negative 7. Let's look at the last one. Here we have negative 3x plus 3 times the quantity 4x minus 5 equals 39. Negative 3x plus 3 times 4 is 12x. 3 times 5 is negative 15 equals 39. Then we have a negative 3x and a positive 12x. Add those two together, we have 9x minus 15 equals 39. Now over here we're going to add a positive 15 to that side, add it over here. So we add up with 54. 9x equals 54, positive, positive. So x equals 6. Okay, hopefully your answers matched ours, and we'd like to thank you for watching our video.
That's all, folks.